Welcome to Hey Jen Podcast. Today we're diving into mastering the art of email communication with a game-changing email system. Let's get started.
I'm excited to hear about this. So, what's so revolutionary about this email system?
Well, we've all spent hours crafting that perfect email only to hit send and then... Exactly.
Crickets?
It's so frustrating.
Totally, I feel that. So how does the system change that?
It's designed to make your emails not just stand out, but actually get results. And when you grab the email system today, you unlock 5 exclusive bonuses that'll supercharge your content creation and business growth.
5 bonuses, huh?
And they're game changers.
Sounds intriguing. Can you tell me more about these bonuses?
Sure. First up is unlimited AI videos. Imagine being able to create engaging, visually appealing content with less effort. No technical skills needed. The tool does all the heavy lifting.
That would definitely spice up emails. What's next?
The second bonus is AI hidden knowledge. It's like having insider secrets to AI strategies and insights that give you a competitive edge.
Interesting.
For example, did you know AI can analyze your audience's behavior to predict the best time to send emails?
Actually, I didn't. That's mind-blowing.
Right? The third bonus is Prompt Gold Miner. You'll master crafting effective prompts to get top-notch results from your AI tools.
It
saves you hours of trial and error.
Definitely a time saver. And bonus number 4?
Fourth is Persona AI. You can create lifelike AI personas that work for you, simulating customer interactions, or even developing virtual assistants. It's like having extra team members.
Impressive. And the 5th bonus?
The last one is Content Frameworks. It's 30 plug-and-play frameworks for creating fresh, engaging content. It works for any niche or platform.
That's a comprehensive package. But aren't these just gimmicks? I mean, do they really deliver?
I understand your skepticism, but these tools have been proven to deliver results.
If you say so.
Plus, the stats support their effectiveness.
Speaking of stats, care to share some?
Absolutely. Email marketing delivers an ROI of 36.1. That means for every dollar spent, you get 36 back.
That's impressive.
And personalized subject lines can increase open rates by 50%.
No kidding?
It's all about making that personal connection.
So the email system helps with that?
Exactly. It even helps you include videos in emails, which can boost click-through rates by 65%.
Seriously?
Videos make a huge difference.
That's a game changer.
Right, and best of all, it's a one-time payment with lifetime access. No recurring fees.
Really? That definitely makes it more appealing. But is it user-friendly? Not everyone is tech-savvy.
Absolutely. It's designed for ease of use, even if you're not tech-savvy.
Good to know.
Plus, the bonuses provide extra support.
Seems like they've thought of everything.
They have. And they offer practical tips for crafting winning emails. Nailing the subject line, engaging openings, focusing on value, clear calls to action.
Essentials, really.
And optimizing for mobile, since over 70% of emails are opened on mobile devices.
That's crucial these days.
Exactly. So, if you're ready to elevate your email game, now's the time.
I think
Remember,
I'm convinced.
great emails aren't written, they're crafted.
Couldn't agree more. Time to make every email count.